Hello friends, my name is Saurav Dubey and today we are going to learn how to create React app online, right? So that's our first React app, right? So we don't need to do any setup in our system. So if you want to know how to create React app and how to use React app, so it's video for you. Okay, so if you I just give you some one line for React for introduced to React. So it's nothing but it's just a library for creating a better UI. Okay, it's simple. And if you want to know more about React.js, so watch my last video. Okay, so we are going to create this program in codepen.io. So let me show you my screen first, and we are going to create our first program. So that's our codepen.io. So just click on create, and there's a pen option, right? So we are going to write here our React code. So simple, I just write first HTML code. So just we are using their div and it close, and I just write h1 tag, and there's some name like Mary and close, and I'm using a paragraph tag. Okay, and his age is 22. That's my age. Okay, so I just close this tag, right? So that one is our one div, right? So I'm just going to add some CSS in this case. So class equal to person, and I already have some CSS, so I'm not writing the CSS again. So I just copy and paste the CSS, and just so that's my CSS. So we have to write our React.js code. So we are using React, right? So I'm just going to add there some dependency for React.js. Okay, just click on the setting icon and just React, add the React.js, and just React down, right? And we are going to use Babel for Babel is nothing but it's just convert our HTML code to JavaScript, right? So click on save and close. So that one is our React environment, right? Simple. So we just write code. So it's nothing like you need to just create a function like it's person function, and return and semicolon, and I just copy and paste this whole code to here, right? So it's look like it just look like HTML, but it's not the HTML. It's just our JSX. Okay, so right, I'm just going to render this. Okay, there is a problem with our code. I want to code say that. Okay, so what is the problem with it? The problem say uh, unexpected JSX, and okay, so no problem. So I just if I just the problem with it, okay, there's a problem with semicolon. No, so this is the main problem. Okay, there's a div. It's not properly do. Okay, so let me let me just use this code in our HTML in front page, right? So I'm just writing here code for React DOM dot render, and I'm using here my class, my function name, and person, and column, and use where should we have to write display now. So document dot query selector. You can go uh, query selector, and just I'm using here each one, that's my ID, and I'm going to use this ID here, right? So that one there, and ID is p1, I'm just going to close my div and let me show you. There is another tab, right? So this is the another tab for our this React. So I'm just going to delete this code, and it's so simple. So you don't need to write in code in your HTML. So I'm just going to use this code again and again. So just simple. I'm using just pdiv and p2 and p3, and there is some div. So why I'm going to write this code again and again. So you can do like we are going to use their props, right? So props nothing but we are using our name and values randomly, dynamically. Okay, so it's just there's name. So I just pass my value. There is name and there is age. So props dot age, and here is props dot name, right? So age, there's nothing. So we are going to here, right here, our code, like name is Maria, our age is 22, 23. So like, so we are using our React in this. So simple. Now we are going to use their three component. Now, so we just need to create our variable first. Then variable is app. You can write any name, right? So app, and I'm just writing this. I'm just write my this code, uh, that code in my variable, right? And just pass my variable from it. Simple. Or if you want to create more tab like person, if I just am going to change this name, Maria, Zare, and so on, right? And their age maybe 22, 24, and now I'm going to use this. So I'm just using here app, and I don't need to use their more div. I'm going to use here only one div. Their name is app. So you can see there's okay, there's a problem with it. Okay, right. Okay, there's a problem with our code. So there is nothing, but there is some problem. I let me show you. And so let me show you. There is a problem with we are not able to create in React. There is multiple like tags. So we need to combine this all tag in one tag. Like there is a div option, right? So I'm just close it, and there is our div. So you can see there's a three tab. We don't need to create our HTML. We just use our code, and that's the power of React.js, right? So if you have any doubt, so please comment on the video, and okay, please like my video and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.